Albino SD community. We are here again today with Andy Smedberg, Superintendent for C.D. Smith. And since our last update 2 weeks ago, it has been very busy here on site. Andy, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Can you give us a little update about the most recent action here on site?
Well, this morning we poured the cafeteria floor, so it's about 7,500 square feet. So that's a big milestone to accomplish. Now that the weather's cooperating again, we have the exterior brick going on, so it's starting to take shape. And then next week the roofing's going to start. So getting this closed in and getting it ready for school. And we're still at night in the classrooms, demoing them out one by one.
Great. At this time, we're going to take you inside. You can check out some of the pictures of what's happening here on site.